Alright, y'all, we got a 2015 Tahoe. Got a brake replacement. We'll start with the rear, since the rear is much harder than the front. You know, you got the calibers you have to have a special tool for, which is right here. Bought it off Amazon. It ain't bad. Get the job done. But start with the rear first. Go ahead and knock them out. Then go to the front since they're much easier. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out and call this one today. Got a couple of them days. We got the rear off, and it doesn't have the caliber that you need the special tool. So I got this one. This one I bought from Amazon as well. And here's the brakes. And they go to me. You see the thickness different. Yeah, it's another customer I got to check on, make sure they alright, make sure they ain't suicidal or nothing like that. So, but you can go ahead and knock out the other three. Call this a day. Alright, y'all, real quick. It's a quick tip. You ain't gotta do it like this, but throughout my difficulties of changing out brakes, like when you get done with whatever side brake you're doing, go ahead and repump the brakes so they can harden back up. Cause you know when you push the caliper back in, it pushes the fluid back to the reservoir, the brake reservoir, master cylinder, whatever you want to call it. Push back through the line. That's all. That's all I know. But they right here make it a lot easier. Go on, pump them bad boy back up per brake job, per brake that you do. See, them things that hard as a rock. Yeah. So that one that I just did, I know that the caliber has pushed back out and it's hard. That way, when I get done with all these brakes, I ain't gotta be like, man, why the brakes ain't harding up no more? Don't cut the car back off. Now, the brakes do harden up when the car is turned off, but it'll re-soften when you turn the car on. So I go ahead and do them both ways. I do off and on. Well, we done with one side. Well, one brake. Let's go to the rest. Alright, we done with the brakes. Stay dry. Ain't no noise. I got the window let down. Radio turned off. Another satisfied customer. Ain't nothing without y'all. I appreciate y'all, all y'all for y'all support. Appreciate it. I got a couple more. I think I got about 4 or 5 more to do. So we can go ahead and wrap this video up. See y'all on the next one. Y'all have a blessed y'all have a great day. I'm gonna see y'all again. I appreciate you.